Today I got this UniWigs. Yeah. Comes with 5 clips on this wig to secure that wig without glue.
So I can't pull it off, man.
I get all the green now like a vegan. I could tell you see now I ain't need ya. I could tell who's down, they were real, bro. Yes, up on the dash. All the shit in my past. All that fake shit won't last. Niggas still got that bad.
Good job. So my babe cut that lace off, and my babe is going to install this beautiful curly wig. It's so cute. And this is 150 density. This is why I look so full. Yes, yes. Come on. Let's see if my babe can have me off the wig. Okay, so I got my wig on. It's secure.
So now
I'm looking like a natural
fix
snack.
it up, so shut up.
Big curls. Yes, I like this. I look natural. I look like one of those girls who got like natural
And
big
then if you
black
want to, you
hair.
can go like this.
Yeah.
Or like this. Or this. So now you gotta fix this part.
You gotta fix this part. You're
Okay,
in
where's
control.
the stuff?
Edge control and toothbrush over there. Okay, okay.
I gotta pull some of your hair out.
Yeah. Don't have me out here looking like a Spanish girl from the Bronx. Okay, oh, you rolling with the little swoop. Okay.
Yeah, come, hold on. Hold that.
So I am looking like a snack in this UniWigs. It looks so natural and
Turn around.
curly.
Cut on the back. Yeah, shake. Go more towards the bend. Yeah, stop. Yeah. Alright, stop.
Yes, UniWigs.
Yeah.
So I love this wig. Dang, this
What's
is so
your
cute. So it's so thick like this because it's 150% density, and I love that. You can choose your density. Basically, this company will customize any wig for you, and I love that. So whatever you want, they could literally do, and they customize each wig to your liking.
Like that?
I look natural.
I don't know about the edges.
Yeah, we'll fix it, but for your first time, I like how I look in this. It's just like a natural vibe.
Yeah.
I'm not
But you ain't
getting.
forgetting.